manure is biodegraded waste. So from this you can learn from nature that you should not waste anything, and also that even a harmful thing can be changed into a useful thing. For example, your mom scolded you one day for not being disciplined, for not keeping your room tidy. Now you have an option. You can feel annoyed about it, angry and cry, or you can also change it into a useful feedback that yes, what she is saying is that you should learn to keep your room tidy. Just like the farmer, he changes all the waste into a useful component, the manure. Now the manure has lot of advantages. First is it improves the texture of the soil. What is texture? The feel. It will, when you will touch the manure, the feel will be a little rough, a little that kind which is different from soil. So it improves the texture. Secondly, adds humus. What is humus? Organic matter. Now you see, manure has two-folded advantage. If you put it in the sandy soil, then what happens? It adds matter to sand, and as a result the water holding capacity improves. And if you put it in clay soil, it adds space, and as a result there is more air. So it helps in both ways. So we can say it increases the water holding capacity. Makes soil porous. Now because it has organic matter, it also helps in the growth of soil organisms. Now you must be wondering, what is the use of growth of soil organisms? But then they in turn again make the soil more fertile. The microbes will also add organic matter, their dead bodies, their excreta, they will again add more humus. So these are the advantages of manure. Traditionally, for many years, farmers kept adding only manure. But then in 60s, when they realized that our population is increasing so much that we need to improve our yield, we need to have more grains. What did they do? They tried to understand that which minerals are needed for plants, and they realized that there are many minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium which are needed by the soil.